Hello my friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to draw a painting from Pablo Picasso. This great and expert painting in the history is affecting me in my painting, and I thought it would be great if I painted or repainted another painting from Picasso. And I started to searching through the internet and I found this painting wonderful, and I thought it would be great for painting. I draw this in my notebook, and at first I start with lines and drawing the whole of this painting with my pencil, and after I make sure everything is placed correctly, I want to add some changes in this painting, which is adding a figure from Persian painting at the background of the drawing. And after all, I just chose a really tiny and elegant brush as usual, and I continue to the process with watercolor and or maybe ink. Both of them are equal for this kind of painting. And I make some changes in this painting, which is really tiny changes. It doesn't show itself too much, and its changes is to drawing this with circle lines instead of being too much using of rectangles. And I want to change it to be more calm or something smoothly above my lines. And I think a combination between a scarlet red and autumn red would be great for the color of this drawing. And I don't want to add more colors to my painting. I just want it to be as like as a drawing. This is an easy drawing for beginners or someone who wants to follow one special drawing step by step and doing this. And I would be appreciate if you paint this like me, or practice with me, or draw with me and send me the result of your painting or drawing, and I can help you more. And please watch the rest of the video and the other videos in my channel, and make sure to subscribe to see and watch more videos. And also you can cite me what kind of painting or drawing from the history or from an expert painter or drawer would you like me to draw and paint for you. And you can write them in the comments below, and let me know what is your opinion about the whole videos and my paintings. And I add some shadows as like as that real painting, the original one. It has some shadows in that places that I am drawing to.